Now we're going to configure how suggestions will appear, because by default they appear all the time automatically as you type. But if you're like me, you might not need them all the time. So I prefer to only show the dialog with suggestions whenever I need to by using keyboard shortcut. Alright, and to disable this behavior to prevent those suggestions to appear automatically, I'm going to paste the following code in here, which is going to disable automatic appearance of suggestions. So now whenever I need to open up the list of suggestions, I will do it, but it will not be shown automatically. But that's not all, because the following option is going to disable automatic appearance of suggestions when we type special characters such as dot. And by setting that configuration option suggest on trigger characters to false, it will no longer show suggestion box automatically when we'll type special characters. And by the way, if you want to autocomplete something without opening up suggestion box, by default when pressing tab, the words will not be autocompleted, but after adding tab completion configuration option and set it to on, this behavior will be enabled, which allows us to autocomplete words when pressing tab without having to even open up suggestion list. In fact, there are several types of suggestions. Some might be just method names, functions, constant names, and so on. And another type of suggestions are snippets, whether your own custom snippets or snippets provided by extensions. And there is a way to group those snippets at the very beginning of suggestion list. So I'm going to use snippet suggestions option and set it to top. And from now on, the suggestions box will always contain snippet suggestions at the top, followed by the rest of suggestions. Another kind of autocompletions are emmet completions. Those come in handy when we work with HTML code. So to be able to trigger those emmet expansions by pressing tab, I'm going to add the following setting: trigger expansion on tab. Then I'm also going to override the color of the selected list item inside suggestions widget by simply adding another entry within this color customizations object with the key editor suggest widget.selected background. And before saving the changes, let's check what color the currently selected list item has inside that suggestion widget. It has gray background. So after saving the changes, that color will be changed on purple. Let's check it out. And indeed, the color was updated. Also, this color customizations object allows us to override colors for the particular theme, because currently all these overrides that we have put in here will be active no matter which color theme we use. So we can scope some of these overrides to a particular theme, and all we have to do is just copy the current theme name and create another key with this theme name within color customizations object wrapped within square brackets, and put another object under this key with only those overrides that have to be applied when this particular theme is active. So let's make sure that our background color of the selected list item inside suggestion widget is still purple. So it works. In the next lesson we will continue.